What is going on, guys? Esoteric Rider here, and today we're going to be working a little bit on the bike, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be replacing the battery, and the battery we are going to be putting inside of the bike is the anti-gravity lithium ion with restart technology. This is the model ATZ-10, so let's see if the hype is real about these batteries. I hear a lot of good things about them, and a lot of Fury owners actually recommend this battery, so yeah, let's quit the talking and get to the installation. Whoa, I know, that was a totally dope transition. I know, I bet that really rustled your jimmies. Anyway, so this is the battery out of the box. It has the restart technology, the button on the top, and if you're wondering what the restart button does, is that say that you leave your lights on or anything else on, what this button does is after the battery detects that there is a large amount of draw and it kind of slows the battery down or just kind of kills it out, if you press this restart button, it'll wake up the battery because the battery will put itself in sleep mode, as the user manual says. And yeah, that's the good thing about it. So there's a much less chance of it dying compared to other like lead acid batteries. So yeah, plus the thing about lithium ion batteries is that in the cold it might take a second to start up better than lead acid battery, but the user guide does state that if you just press the button a couple times or just leave the lights on for a hot second, you know, battery side by side with the YTZ-14S being stock and the anti-gravity being there. I'm not sure if there's going to be a big size difference or anything, but they did provide these two little foam spacers, so that might actually have to go like up in here or like above the logo to kind of fill out the rest of the casing in the battery. So I guess I'll have to see, but I will definitely put that in the video if so. So let's go ahead and get to installing the anti-gravity battery. but if there is problems, I'm going to safely assume that it's that. So I already got the key turned and the lights are on, so the battery is working. So let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, let's see. Okay, yep, that's working correctly. All right, let's fire up the bike. All right. All the lights are working. Right, low gain, high gain. All right, cool. Well, that is the installation of the anti-gravity lithium-ion ATZ-10 with Restart Technology battery. So let me get this back buttoned up, and if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel where I got more content like this with my Honda Fury, moto vlogs, tutorials, whole 9 yards. And if you like what you see with this beautiful specimen of a machine, that is my 2020 Honda Fury, be sure to check out the Instagram at Esoteric Rider, where I post more motorcycle content with other motorcycles and, of course, this one. And once again, I thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. When you ride, be safe and ride free. Peace out.